TinkerCAD Review. Honest user experience with this easy-to-use online design tool. If you ever wanted to try November 13, 2025 design but felt intimidated by complex software, TinkerCAD might just be your perfect starting point. Here's my honest experience using it and why it's one of the best free tools for beginners. TinkerCAD is a browser-based November 13, 2025 modeling platform created by Autodesk. You don't need any downloads or special hardware, just open it in your web browser and start designing. That simplicity is what makes it so popular among educators, hobbyists and makers. When I first logged in, I was surprised at how intuitive it was. The interface is clean and you can drag and drop shapes to create objects instantly. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's too basic to create real designs. But I've seen users build everything from toy cars to architectural models, and even November 13, 2025 printable prototypes. The built-in tutorials make learning easy. Within an hour, I was designing basic objects and exporting them for November 13, 2025 printing. TinkerCAD also includes circuit simulation and coding features, which let you design electronic projects right in your browser, a huge plus for students and STEM learners. The only downside is that it's not ideal for advanced users who need complex modeling tools or textures. But for learning the fundamentals, nothing beats it. In short, TinkerCAD makes November 13, 2025 design fun, approachable, and completely free. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone curious about November 13, 2025 printing, this tool gives you everything you need to start creating.